What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of Everything Home Services coming to you with another video. And today I'm going to be talking about if you have a vehicle and you have space limitations. Say you have a truck. You have a truck like I do, and you really need a van, but you don't have space for a van, and you don't want to get rid of the truck, and you don't want to lose the seats to be able to carry your crew. Then I have a solution for you. Check it out. Okay, family, so this is what I did. I had a serious issue with space, and my back seat was always full of stuff, and I wasn't able to carry the tools that I needed. I mean, it was piled up in the back, hard to get to, so a van would have been ideal, but I just don't have the space to park another vehicle. So what did I do? I converted my truck into kind of a van. So what I did is I got an ARE topper, and I got the shelves to go on both sides. Shelves on that side, shelves on this side. So both of them have shelves, and as you can see, it doesn't eliminate the space to be able to see out the back window. I can still see out the back window. That was the option that I chose. And I also included a deck system, a deck drawer system, where you can store your tools and equipment, parts and all that stuff. So if you look at the full scope of thing now, I've added a whole lot of space, and I still have space in the back to be able to put things if I need to. So I figured I would show you this quick video for those of you that may be in the same situation, or I really like this deck system with these pull-out drawers. I mean, I like it a lot. I have my side for my plumbing stuff, side for I have my electrical, my heat and air stuff, my cutting stuff. I still have tools in the back here, and my ladder, and I'm really liking the space on the side for the quick access stuff. So overall, I am very, very excited and happy about the system that I have. I'll be able to carry it. I won't have to go back and pick stuff up. I have a lot of stuff that I need right there on the job site. So anyway, YouTube family, I just wanted to show you that and show you an option that you actually could do if you were in the same situation that I am. All right, family, I want to thank you for taking the time out to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.